It's Saturday, it's a big day, and unfortunately we've had a few cold mornings and we haven't been able to start the lawnmower this morning. The battery's flat. Yeah, what we found that over the past week or so, we've had some fairly cold nights, believe it or not, relatively speaking. And it's lowered the battery to the point where it really doesn't want to start. It'll sort of kick and it wants to go. And I think, I could kick it over maybe and give it a run. But what we're going to do this morning is just take the battery and charge it. Now, what we've got are my $2 spanners, my go-to spanners. These things are like you buy them in the $2 shop. This one's, it's a Sturdy, S-T-U-R-D-E-E. And this one is a no-name. Yeah. And they're both just Chinesium. But they seem to fit. Everything, every little bolt on a car or on a trailer or on a lawnmower, they seem to fit. So they get used. That's what, 10 and 11 mil, and this one's a 12 mil. So that's my holding spanner, and that's my undoing spanner. All right, so let's get going. Okay, well, we've got the charger all connected and everything, and we'll just leave it sit here. We've got our bolts and everything, and just leave everything the way it is, and we'll give that, by the look of it, I'm going to give it 3 hours. So we'll come back in 3 hours and see if she starts. I'm sure it will. Yeah, well, it's been 3 hours. And we'll have a look. Yes, it is fully charged according to our charger here. So we'll get going and we'll reconnect the battery and see how it goes. Yep, well, here we go. I've got the key. And it's all set to go, so let's see if it actually fires up. Well, I'm so glad that started. Yeah, I was worried for those 3 hours. I thought, I don't know. But she did. She started, which was terrific. And we did a bit of grass, which was good. Then it got too hot, which has been amazing. We've had rain, sun. But anyway, so we've got sun today. Hopefully we'll have sun tomorrow. And we've still got a bit of grass to do. But we'll catch up with you in our next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.